So this is what should be my last visit to the repair shop now. The car's nearly ready for delivery back to home. So yeah, even the bonnet's on now. So I did have one deliberate error which has got to be corrected yet, and that's these brackets here for the rubber bumper. So as it was pointed out by Karsten, who lives in Denmark in Europe, right, this needs to be cut off level here so the grille will go in. So that's something I missed, and I'm glad we found it before it came home. Otherwise it would have car would have had to come back again to have these chopped off, and then there's a bit behind here that has to be cut back 50mm. So that's all going to get done now before the return home. So time for a plug for Rimmer Brothers in the UK, right? They've excelled themselves. They've got all the bits for me here, toot sweet, which is the rubbers for the windows. And yeah, they overachieved because I didn't actually order them, but the rubber seals and things. So yeah, they've done a great job throughout getting me all the parts that I've required. So yeah, looking pretty neat now. So yeah, I'm hoping to have it home in about 9 days time, maybe 9-10 days time. So yeah, it looks really smart. Very impressed. So apart from that one little fupa with the bumper and the brackets, it's all looking quite good now. So yeah, and as many people have pointed out, that colour is awesome with new chromes on and all that stuff. It'll look really good. Yeah, very happy with what. So yeah, and I suppose a plug for Terrace Smash Repairs, who've done this for me. So they're one of the only places in WA that would take it on at a reasonable cost, and they've done a fantastic job. They've kept me informed, they've invited me down, they've not minded if I showed up just on the spur of the moment to have a look. Nothing has been too much trouble, and it's been done by Rob and his son Cody. So Cody did all the painting. He's his son, and he's a very talented young man. So yeah, absolutely love it. They've done a great job. And it's in WA. So if you're outside Western Australia and not in the Perth area, then it's a bit of a trek if you want to get your car done here. But yeah, they're very busy, but they do a great job. Very impressed. And then Naval Base, yes, Terrace Smash at Naval Base. Great job, and thank you very much indeed, Rob and Cody, for your efforts.